Nermala kenyam ka nas diari kontin barwani lingwaseme biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel en wale shang ka jandang ro widi bangwan ka paikel ronkin dangro widi jandang ro widi bakel bana report dan en bere which kanaser ka kwikore da na jito ka jandang ro badak ka paikel ronkin dangro widi jandang ro bakel bana jelinkel ta da na jito ka je no bana kulu ke report ko kien te bukon ka link ka jen report mene John yam gwasame ke statement misha release ke chanyan dangro with badda ka pai kerun kin daro jandang bakel jala do shukor cherum doran kanaser gwan mi machu kumikir mi yadi shiken Nuer wai army shiken ka makane de ni SPLAIO na mo ajen ban linga ka jen report me kamanan chora lat no take report misha release mo mi benwa ka kon kel adobra na chalat ke jen netin kontin la Nuer wai army leader kana kwara koken ka kuma SPLAIO banjelin ka report mene report chalat gwasame chalat wone ne shi kume kirme yadi de la SSPDF chikan jien shika we gwadran en ten wartegatin kanasser ko la dor shal ka bol awaken wake long ka ta diok ala 3:30 Nguasamo shikan kuma SPLAIO shikana mak shikan ka dwaj match alo kormedit no ka jodan chalat ka tada shikan SPLAIO shikana dwaj match ke je kan gangdor kir special force ka tada chari pochailat ke je aken chikala do ne na an gangdor kir kan kuma SPLAIO gwadan cha maktin no ken tiga ka jigmir payam no ka nasir anjig mir payam yan gwadan titin ka jan gwadan ma katen mi chikor ja tuwa ke report dan inshallah da ken gwasamene wa kan kuma kirmiyadi ke de ne SSPD ba ken kan shop ano ka jigmir wa chwa ka kapchong cha kapchong ano chukor chu ten gwasmo gangdor kir ka jodan chalat gwasame kan SPLAIO unit chala tin wenmo waken chugan kormo chukan tok GSSPDF and then ka kore ka jen jigmir payam no wa chwa SSPDF no chwa ka juj no ka chwa chetikaliam din mi tok according to the report an chalat de ni SPLAIO kan Nuer wai army ka taran kalat ke jen kani cha de ni SSPDF diniken chaka defeated ka cha SSPDF militia chaka juj na waken chaka kap torbil dangro ka chaka kap according to the report and two mounted pickup Toyota ala torbil konti la joken akena te ka match chaka kap ka report an chalat gwasmeni and then nyok wa chaka match and chalka 12.7 millimeter ke 12 mm ka zu 23 kel ka wa chete torbil darian bami armor personal carrier bami chakap ka kabana wadana chikur che toktin ke 3 RPG 7 launcher ke 2 PKM chakap no kene ke automatic guns ke machine gun la AK47 no kame dangbaro to ke ngana kap so on kormo akora chala da kan no shika SSPDF shikan ka joj ka report dan en chanung ka jawden chalat gwasame chalat kume SSPDF ka ta dan chikan bi ke je wa jeng na lodien longo ki ko dan chitok ka jongle ko ka jongle chiremen chialing wadmi ka yai kana patai shi kume SPLAIO shike de ni SSPDF ya chikan ka joj asoka kwije moni chiloidien chabje gwas mi gan goro biken de ni SPLAIO tin konte ga nasere biken ka deal mark chitke report an chikon ling gwas mene ka jen jo me man chalat mu kon linga gore Ramadan en de kolaro the Y Army spokesperson headquarter te ka Pananyang Nasser County chikari report mo chikana lat ken according to report an chikene no no keni ka jen chen nang badda ka mo ka paikel chika de ni SSPDF chikan ka joj baje kun ya gwasa me ka tara jikan lat keje according to the report an jikan no ko bi kon kula familiar ko nan chala da kan en go chikan lar de ke mum chiro lat be gorno be kun ya gwata me ka to English ka dobra ni kan gor ka je well they said immediate release which is date on 28 January 2026 The genocidal and tribal force of General Kir move out from their trenches in Nasser Ball at 3:30 our local time. Their intention was to attack the group of SPLA-IO and Gangdor Kir Special Force residing in Jikmir, Payam. Gangdor Kir Task Force, an element of the SPLA-IO unit, intercepted them from Jikmir, Payam center, where they were engaged immediately. At the time of fierce engagement, the SSPDF militia were swatted instantly with heavy casualties on their side. After the defeat of the SSPDF militia, our forces captured two mounted pickup Toyota with 12.7 millimeter, one Zu 23, 2 and trapped an APC or armored personnel carrier or ULIT, 3 RPG-7 launcher, 2 PKM automatic machine gun and 7 automatic rifles or AK-47 all in good condition according to them. After the defeat of the SSPDF militia, our forces registered 2 losses and 5 wounds at the same time. The battle Ardennate Y Army fighter and the SPLA unit force 423 SSPDF dead bodies with unspecified number of wounds on the enemy side. The Y Army leadership from Wulang and Nasser hereby congratulate its battle Ardennate fighters as well as the SPLA-IO fighters. Salutation. This message coming from Onson Chol James, the Y Army spokesman, headquarter Pananyang Nasser counties. So Jo Shalim Gwaseme ke jen ko dan jikan lat kan ne kontilla Nuer Y Army spokesperson ke Jo dan jikan lat Gwaseme ke ne ne chiken de ne SSPDF chiken ga defeat ke jikan ga joj no ke Nuer Y Army kane shinero shik liuka ke no kane dang de te ga bot kane Jordan Gwaseme ke kume SSPDF Nuer Y Army kane kume SPLA-IO union chikala do ne chicken eri chuba jandang rawu de diok ke de na SSPDF chicken ga jek pinti chiliu gwadran chikor che tuoktin kani quick can pega dan cha moy ko bot ka kume marai ke kin yadit. At this reporting kana confirm de kontila kume kirma yadit ke ne kontila spokesperson ko kume SSPDF, but name according to information nana shanung netin kontila ji SPLA-IO kan netin kontila Nuer Y Army spokesman. So report me mede ko linga ta da na che to kaje report den dong de ko nyoko mu akon gwas me very important ba chikume SPLA-IO te ga report mi chikana lat kume SPLA-IO ka shankara ka jok no shiken joji kalat gwasme kene shike kume SSPDF shiken fozien chikana jojok no ka jodan chalat gwasme chikala do ne kene force SPLA-IO kene ko advance we ka juba kene chine tinero da realeka kaman laneya lenen mishal ke self defense ko korke mi cha peace agreement key security arrangement dan charge yara kuma kirim yadit so ko mo kon we are defending ourselves killing self defense jo dan chalat ke chalat Ramadan and la press secretary office of the opposition led by President Dr. Machateng ramrai gwasme pogbud balwang ke report dan chalat gwasme jana kon lene ni mishale self defense ko la gwada menetin la jabu kan shang akume marai ke kirim yadit. Pogbos balwang jena Ramadan la press secretary office of the opposition jen charach ke radio tamazu te ke jom chalat gwasme no ajena nana ajena shukuma da konje SPLA-IO shike reinforcement chikanalat taro de realeka ko bi ka road and defense no chicken believe ni regime anang ne yake ko na target bene benang nyurka kinero de realeka and whatever comes our way bene deal nyin kaje no can we are responding ko cha 2018 peace agreement dan me cha ta Dr. Yang Machateng first vice president mentere wujatama ka juba mente re lok ka cha yen kir ko cha mal cha yaraken kani gang ne roda ke jere jimi shit karamane kene cha 2018 peace agreement cha violate akuma kirmi yadit so ko kujamo we are in the position of defending ourselves no ko chine de allow no da ko bane nak chari por mo cha jalat no kejen jo dan chalat gwasme nay kon diala kon lat ko de right ano kuma kirmi yadit che goro te kamal mede ben rewe ka so Sudan antanen kon wike jamo che ria ke che jek kirmi yadit regime kirmi yadit kene kon logo bi malbeben chikana agreement da na sha tan chaje yarken so chukuma SPLIO chigatel choice right now the no big road in defend ka ene duwara to ke mebben mebeka kamane chikala do ne ta dan lat ke SPLIG ke SPLMAG and go jaren mat ke kuma kirmi yadit kuken goten content je SPLIO kuken la target kuken ga target men civiliani ke nakana karen yale kana mo chine lado enough is enough it is time ko binero da defense kajen queen security gamen chanu kum kirmi yadit ano shi kum SPLIO chirke jodan chala da pok but chala do ne jena SPLIO force chala yale kan wo bikan kume marai ke kirmi yadit bikan deal jojok duel dialte konte chala da kirmi yadit josh kanalo medan meche kor meche tuok chicken cantonment site ten content SPLIO ten chicken ajutin alojika joy kan SPLIO medan let kene kenyam gor kan ode kan the top leaders ko kum SPLIO de kan dial and then shukana gor no be kan containment side nito to be kan ka be kan na be kan martin shukan ka force ko be ka defect ke be ka ti mi chala do no me chala da kim yadit no she 2018 peace agreement je yar already so tell yer mi ngod jor ka jodan chalat gwaseme wadi yal chaka yar so right now NSPLIO commander riken dial kan nene tup kan order ko chano dan gang kwaro dan potak so jo me jikan lat gwaseme me de kon tekengech gwaseme beje kwen ya ka tuk English ka tarin ka lat keje ko de yen familiar kamana le rode. The opposition SPLMIU on Tuesday pushed back against government, claimed that its forces are advancing on the capital Juba, saying it has mobilized troops purely in self-defense after repeated attack and violation of security arrangement by government forces. Pok Bod Balwang, press secretary in the office of the opposition leader, first by President Rakhama Chateng, talked to us to Radio Tamazuj that SPLIO forces at reinforced position responded to assault on defensive site and acted against repeated violation of the 2018 peace deal. The recent political and security crisis in South Sudan is a man-made tragedy perpetrated by a regime that has consistently violated its agreement, and he said, therefore, the recent military action by our gallant forces are necessary and a direct response to unprovoked aggression by the SPLMIG and its allies. Our forces did not initiate the current security crisis, and the call to march toward Juba resulted from the SPLMIG systematic violation of the security arrangement and the agreement, as Wool added. Pok explained that SPLI forces had been compelled to react after what he described as a systematic violation of the 2018 peace agreement, including attack on cantonment and training site protected under the deal. According to Pok, the crisis escalated in February 2025 when government forces, allied militias, the Uganda People Defense Forces (UPDF), and what he termed foreign mercenaries launched a repeated assault on SPLIO position in Apenal and Jonglei State. He said SPLIO commander had ordered defensive deployment in Jonglei and other areas, reinforce frontline and engage attackers to repel advance, insisting these steps were taken to stabilize the situation rather than expand the conflict. According to him, he said our recent military operations are not acts of aggression. Pok said they are defensive measures grounded in international law and our responsibility to protect civilians. Pok also said SPLA-IO had documented alleged abuse by government forces, including the use of gunship against civilian areas, and accused them of deploying chemical weapons in Apenal, Jonglei, and part of Greater Equatoria. Allegation that could not be independently verified. Well, according to POC, SPLM-IO had shared its concern with regional and international grantor and renewed call for urgent mediation, but say no tangible action has been taken so far. We have repeatedly appealed to the agreement guarantors, the region and the international community to intervene, revive the peace process, and facilitate inclusive, honest, and result-oriented dialogue, is stated. POC reiterated that SPLIO remain committed to implementing the 2018 peace agreement in letter and spirit, and said it was seeking political solution alongside defensive military measures. The position is response followed by remark by Information Minister and Government Spokesman Ateng Wugateng, who rejected a report that South Sudan is returning to full-scale war. We are not at war, Ateng Cho reported in Juba on Tuesday, saying clash in northern Jonglei State were part of defensive operation by the army to halt what he described as an SPLIO advance toward Juba and to protect civilians. The South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF, have deployed additional troops to northern Jonglei to recapture position in Wurol, Nirol, and surrounding areas. On Sunday, the army announced a campaign dubbed Operation Enduring Peace, aimed at regaining territory held by the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition SPLIO. Tension between the two parties have been rising since December, with senior military figures on both sides showing threat and reinforcing position, raising fear of return to full-scale war. South Sudan 2013 to 2018 civil war killed around 400,000 people before peace deal brought the force into a fragile unity government. In that civil war, more than 40,000 Nuer civilians were killed by Kir government in 2013. That 2018 agreement has since been weakened by repeated violation, unilateral action, and dispute between President Salva Kiir Mayardit, SPLM, and Dr. Yang Machar, SPLM-IO. Machar has been suspended. Suspended as a first by president, and is now facing trial in capital Juba. So report channeling Tadan and Shialinkaja. La kum Kiir Mayardit kan ida kona tekariek ano bi korba to gano bi liaba to ka kan ida nyaman kontin tekariek no kajo kano meladiana me shi magwa chana we ka report den mbele la mi check kwi ji European Union te ga jom kan lat gwasmen go ne ta nyina ka jemere which ka South Sudan jaga no ko ba won yamre kore of course ngai kondiale international community la ji European Union ne ga gwade da ne kwa na kwa kan me ku Kiir Mayardit ko violation ko jalare we ke South Sudan naga na no ke kereniale no tele mi shikana malat ken ga men writing no kala ga joni chang no Kiir yare peace agreement da ne chatai right now lat ken one ne and which were reka so when we were reka kan ande belo ka ken ko these are the people they konte kwa mal kwa la time kalat ken no e mal ya time ka ken kan gor ka shuka dak ma cha kana jaga were we ke Juba. Why? Ngum no kana jaka bukan lo opel daro. Tera ina me kana ngaje no which we karal ke woji SPLIO we kan kamu kan ga Juba lo meda ni kana guje no the really truth is this ala international community we can also come SPLIO che fail. Chetel na chesel supporter chetel deini. That is the reason why you gonna fell no tell me de kana lat ke kwide. Bar ngai kondiale. Ano kuma SPLIO binekan gwe ke jeno ba darma charba jelun. Si oto chi kuma SPLIO che fail. So na me kana ngaje no tama chi je SPLIO charen je chikala do bu we ke Juba den chiga en international community je Caribbean, je European Union, je Caribbean. Ano korme de ja kapchong, you know. Chicken ramon la delegation ni kana jakbore wiki Juba we right ke kuma Kiir Mayardit we ko don de mal de jenong but I know kana reality buka ka kor ko kan ngaje no kor che order lat so mi chena me de ke jogo no che chuon ko mela kan kula be gwa da kan ngaje no cha tia ko de ke de jo ke tia ko te kur midin mo were wo jibu rin kula je ko kan to kan te kon te ku doctor mi char ko kan pressure eno jin lad mal ka up to that bukan le block so nyu de jeno kan de kon te kare so bana pe kan wasme bana other report ne bana kan link wasme en betem mal